All right, so now that the engineer has been able to quickly get all the stakeholders happy, the tooling department can finalize their mold design. Now, they're using Inventor. But just like Revit works with Forma, Inventor works with Fusion. To help me demonstrate this, let's bring up our Inventor expert, Jeremy. Greetings, Jeremy.
Good morning.
All right. So Jeremy and Daniel are here to talk about working between Fusion and Inventor. So why don't we start with you, Daniel?
All right, sounds good. So I'm in Fusion making a couple of last-minute changes. I'm going to make the hole in the bottom of the air fryer a little bit bigger. We need to make sure that the food gets really crispy. So let's make this 30 millimeters bigger. That looks good. And I've made my change. So Jeremy, you're used to dealing with my late-minute changes. Did you get this one?
I will get it. You know, we have to work in parallel today. We can't wait for everybody else. So here in Inventor, I've got that my mold assembly open. I've been working on that design. Let's go ahead and just hit an update and take a look at the core and cavity of this model and see what changes have been made. As you can see, the hole has updated because the data is linked back to Daniel's model. And we can take a look and say, is that core and cavity still valid? We'll use the tools in Inventor to check that out. So it will take a look and say, do the shutoff surfaces work? Can we split that core and cavity? Looks pretty good.
Yep.
I think we're going to be able to manufacture these at the quantities we need after all this advertisement. So let's say okay. Andrew, you'll be able to get one as fast as you can.
I'm ready.
So we'll let Inventor say finish. It updates the entire stack. We'll rotate it around, and we're ready to go with all the channels and everything else. But that's not the best part. What if we want to go ahead and manufacture this and get it out to market? So I'll switch to the cavity piece, and you can see it's the same piece. You can even see the holes updated. Let's go ahead and take advantage of Fusion's manufacturing capabilities. So with one click, I say continue. It browses to the cloud where I can look at the projects and say, hey, where would I like to place this so that Daniel can get access to it? So we're going to send that to the tooling department. We hit upload, and with one click, live, this goes up to the cloud and placed in the project. Daniel, can you see it? Is it available for you?
I've got it. So I've got the mold design that you created here back now in Fusion. And here I'll be able to take advantage of Fusion's complete manufacturing capabilities. And this is going to make the rest of the process that we're about to show so much easier.
Now, I noticed you used certain words. You said the data is linked, not the files are linked.
That's right.
Okay, so the data is linked. So you're sharing granular data back and forth between the two environments via the Fusion platform.
Connectivity is so important if we're going to work together and in parallel to get the efficiencies we need. You're exactly right.
All right, fabulous. Working together. Give it up for Jeremy and Daniel.